Is your Kia Soul backup camera showing a black screen or flickering while you reverse? Over 80% of rear camera issues on these models stem from simple wiring or connector corrosion. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the culprit. Start by cleaning the lens and checking the trunk hinge wiring harness for any visible fraying. The most frequent failures are corroded tailgate connectors or broken wires inside the rubber trunk boot. To fix this yourself, you will need basic trim tools, a multimeter, and some quality contact cleaner. Simple contact cleaning is a DIY task, but replacing a full wiring harness is usually shop territory. Repair costs vary wildly depending on whether you are simply cleaning contacts or replacing the camera module. If cleaning fails, use a multimeter to verify power and ground continuity at the camera connector itself. Always disconnect your negative battery terminal before touching electrical components to prevent accidental shorts. Remember, a little patience with a multimeter will save you hundreds in dealership diagnostic fees. Thanks for watching, and check the description for links to the tools mentioned in this video.